Welcome to an introduction to server-side Swift by Packt Publishing. My name is Johan Kerr. I've been a Swift developer for the last 5 years, and I've been using Vapor for the last year since Vapor 2 was released. I've used Vapor to create backends for mobile applications. Vapor is an extremely powerful web framework that is written in the Swift language, and it makes creating web backends and web applications easy for Swift developers. In section 1, we're going to create our first application. We're going to learn how to 1. Create an application, 2. Configure that application, and also 3. How to add new dependencies. In section 2, we're going to learn how to create our routes and also how to create views. In addition, we're going to learn how to get new information from our user and to use that information in our application. In section 3, we're going to learn how to use SQL, and we're going to learn how to configure our application to use the Fluent Object Relational Mapper. We're going to use Fluent to create new models for us that are able to interact with our database. In section 4, we're going to learn how to do user authentication. We're going to allow users to be able to log in and also sign up. In section 5, we're going to learn how to deploy our application. We're also going to learn how to configure our application to use MySQL. In section 6, we're going to learn how to write tests for our application. This is going to allow us to certify that our application works in the exact way we think it does. This video course was created to teach you how to create web applications with Swift and how to successfully master using Vapor to do so. By the end of this video course, you will be able to successfully create your own standalone web applications, and if you choose, even create web backends for your mobile application. To be able to fully understand this video course, you will need to have basic knowledge of the Swift programming language. So let's begin our journey into learning server-side Swift and Vapor, and I hope to see you in our next video.